Okay, so drill number 2 is called the swing and slide. It's our most complicated drill. It's got the most movements, but man, when you do this correctly, it can be the most powerful drill of the 5 drills. This drill is designed to simulate what happens from the top of the swing through the transition of the slide into the release point. It's a weight transfer drill, a body position drill, a slide drill, using the left side properly drill, and a timing drill. And it might take the longest to learn, and it's the most complicated, but I know if you get this down, it's going to pay big dividends to your game. Okay, so our second drill is the swing and slide. As I said, it's our most complicated drill, but accomplishes probably the most critical movements when it comes to weight transfer, timing, and of course the release. And at the end of this drill, it's going to connect the position that we just learned in the foul line drill, which is the finish position and the release position, okay? So the first thing Giorgio is going to do is he's going to start with his right foot forward, his left foot back. He's going to feel about 99% of the weight in his right leg. His left foot is going to be back and his heel is going to be off the ground, okay? He's going to hang the ball straight down from his shoulder. The left arm is going to be no more in line with his left leg on the edge of it. His palm is going to be facing the wall. He's going to feel a little bit of tension in his left side. And he's going to have about 10 to 20 degrees of spine angle. From right here, he pushes the ball up to be in line with this hand. From right here, as gravity starts to take over and this starts to come down, now he's going to engage back angle. He's going to feel more load in his quad right here in this part of his leg and also his glute. He's going to be loading into the ground. From right here, as the ball gets to the top of the swing, he's going to drive down and forward. Okay, so he gets very wide here with his base and his weight transfer, and then the ball is going to come through, and he's going to go all the way through the finish, and just like in the foul line drill, the follow-through is going to go right through his face. Okay, so now let's do it in real time, like he would do with a bowling ball in his hand. That's correct position. Push up, load, and slide. Just like that. Now, as easy as he makes this look, he's done it several thousand times since he's been at the Kegel Training Center. So this will take some work, and I've broken it down into very specific elements that if you go through this process one by one, you'll see a tremendous amount of difference in your direction and your ball roll.